communication. It's got to have federal communication, local, as well as looking at private sector. But it's something that we've been working on for quite some time now. An update on the Broward ALF, Altria, Willowwood. Remember, this is the ALF where we had the first nursing assisted living fatality. This was a facility that did not impose the requirements that our ACA put in and that the CMS later issued on behalf of the federal government to guard access to these, make sure who's going in is being screened. They had sick construction workers, sick hospital staff, they had sick people in the food service. So you ended up having, at this time, there's been 3 confirmed deaths at that same facility, 10 total positive cases, and there's 4 more tests pending. We stressed from the very beginning when this virus was not even something that people were talking about. It was pretty clear from the other countries' experiences that we had to protect the senior citizens in our nursing homes and assisted living facilities. It's why we issued those guidelines early. It's why CMS has done it. People need to follow this because if you're not, you're putting people that you're supposed to care for at risk. Law enforcement is now on site there. CDC does have an infection control specialist embedded on site, and ACA has somebody there 24/7. And obviously we want to help as best we could. But if you're in this business to take care of people who may be susceptible to this, you shouldn't need to have someone breathing down your neck. You should do the right thing and protect the folks in Florida who are most vulnerable. Latest on cases, we've had a total of 12 fatalities for Florida residents, 720 total new cases, 664 of those are Floridians. Broward is 162 total, Miami-Dade 156 total. We have pending test results about 991, but I think I've mentioned in the past, you have all these private labs that are now processing the tests. And so there are way more than 991 outstanding right now. They don't always tell us. They have to report the positives. We think they're reporting the negatives too. But we're not necessarily sure what's out there until they report it to the Department of Health. And as I mentioned, the age breakdown, 60% of those who've been infected are under the age of 60. Let me just say something about the big picture. Anytime you have some of these things, whether it's a hurricane, whether it's other major events, and obviously this one would be that and then some, you see all the stuff circulating on, and I don't do social media or text messages anymore, but you see all this stuff. People are asking all these questions about all kind of these, really, really far out things. And I would just tell everyone, just keep cool and calm down. There's no need to panic about this. You just need to take the proper precautions and take the proper steps to protect yourself. At the end of the day, if you follow the basic rules that the CDC has recommended, such as maintaining good hygiene, washing your hands religiously, and maintaining proper social distance from people, you are going to be okay if you follow those guidelines. And you're the really, individual Floridians are the best people who can really help us get past this and successfully past it. And remember, this is something